Hey everybody, and welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Please share these videos. Let people know that we are here every day, sharing vibrations, sharing the energies of the day so that you can then find where you have those same energies inside of you, in your own blueprint, in your own schematic for life. Every day is different. We are all different. Let's find out how we are different so that we can be even more helpful in the world and more loving and more kind, coming from the way that we would do that. Today is Wednesday, the day of the Communicator. Wherever you have the Communicator in your blueprint, you're going to be interested in knowledge. If it's in your relationships, you're going to be interested in learning about other people. You're going to want to know what makes them tick. If it's in desires, you're going to desire to keep learning for yourself more and more. If it's spiritual, then knowledge helps you to transcend and go deeper inside. If it's in your Dharma, then you become a knowledge resource for people in your life, helping them in that way. If it's in career, then your whole career is about knowledge, learning, studying more about your chosen work. Knowledge. Is there ever an end to learning? Knowledge. Using knowledge to ultimately transcend knowledge. Go beyond. Go beyond the mind. That's what mantra means. Go beyond the mind. So our mantra that will take us beyond the mind today is I connect with the Communicator in my blueprint, wherever you have it. So I have it in Dharma and emotion. So I would say I connect with the Communicator in my Dharma, my outer spiritual path, and my emotions. I fully expect this to be an emotional day for me. Yahoo! Slippery. It's kind of a sliding energy. Very malleable, very bendable, changeable. Bend me, shape me, any way you want me. Remember that song? Remember Gumby? It's like that. It's liquid. It's like mercury. Literally, like mercury. So stay open to change today. Don't be rigid. Don't be rigid. Stay open to change. Don't be rigid. Don't be rigid. Don't be rigid. Stay open to change. So that you can bend with it instead of break. You want to break. You're going to bend with it. Be flexible with the change. Because change is coming. Change is inevitable. Change is happening all the time. And if you're not loose, if you're not flexible, you're going to break. Don't break. Try not to break. Stay open. Stay flexible. And keep learning. Keep discovering. Keep thinking deeply. Deeply. Don't just repeat what others tell you. Think for yourself. This is independent energy. This is independent. Think for yourself. Communicator energy. If you have this in the spiritual, you're an independent spiritual seeker, not dependent on teachers. You go your own way. Think your own way. I connect with the communicator in my blueprint. I connect with the communicator in my blueprint. Om Boom Buddhaya Namaha. Om Boom Buddhaya Namaha.